Hi, Eunice. Happy birthday, anak. Uh, Actually, kumaba akong script just to say something about your birthday. 18 years ago, December 30, 1994, I can still remember it. Nasa Kawilan tayo noon. Nasa Kawilan pala kami ng mama mo. At yun, lalabas ko pa sa mundo. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung... Hindi namin kasi alam kung lalaki o babae ang anak namin. And naalala ko pa, sabi ni mami nung lumabas ka na nga, sabi, Joby, ayos na. Lumabas na ang anak mo. Babae. So, you were born 18 years ago. My only child. My only child in my life. My only source of inspiration. As people who knows me, you're the one who made me as me. Probably kung di ka dumating sa buhay ko, baka patay na ako ngayon. As you know that. So, Chicky Laverne, hindi ka na si Chicky Laverne kasi malaki ka na eh. Blondie ka pa nga eh. Kaya, could you show the camera here? Ayan o, di ba? Blondie ka na. Get back to me. So, I hope you will be happy today with your party. Although, alam ko, ang gusto mo lang is a dinner with family and friends and family. But your mother loves you very much also. That's why she only wants the best for you tonight. And I hope you have a blast. Pero sana anak, yung pangakuan natin sa isa't isa, kung pwede lang, sana huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend. Please. Tapusin mo na muna. And kung pwede, medyo extend mo pa ng 4 years. Gusto ko matapos ka ng doktor na walang distraction. I know you can do it. You have the brains and determination to do it. You got both our skills and character. You got characters from your mother, you got characters from me. So, more or less, you're very much equipped. I thank God. I thank God because despite of our uniqueness as a family, naging mabuti kang bata. Hindi ka, pasaway ka, pero pasaway na makulit. Hindi ka naging talande. At masipag ka mag-aaral. Salamat sa Diyos at ikaw ay ginawa niyang ganyan. Thank you also to your mother. Kahit pa paano, siya yung lagi mong kasama dyan. 10 years na tayong laging ganito. Malayo ako sa'yo. Lumaki ka na nga lang ng ganyan, parang ganun lang eh. And so, I'm thanking your mother. I'm thanking my family also. My mother, my father, my dalawang kapatid. Sa pag-fill in sa absence ko dyan. Also, I'm thanking Nanay Selly, ang Tatay Fred. Because the support is there for you. You know that, Eunice. Everybody loves you. Nag-iisa ka lang eh. So, again, have a blast. Have a party. You work hard, now you should party hard. Yeah, cut!